Please work. So, we took the pan off. Nice, lots of nice bits of metal. And what's that bolt, Douglas? From?
Was holding a connecting rod.
What was holding the connecting rod in place? So we know that it was a con rod that has destroyed itself. Nice. So it was worth doing. Job worth done.
Tow truck driver called it right.
He did.
Ooh, that's fucked.
That's fucked, that is. Cool. Nice. Cheers, mate. So we drained the oil.
Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, mate.
Love it when the plugs are stripped out.
Yeah.
Is it a 10? No. Is it an 8? No. Is it a 9? No. What is it? Screwdriver and a hammer. Because I don't have any chisels, because once again I'm kind of doing this, you know. Never mind. So
anyway.
now, what we will do is we will try not to hurt myself.
We're detaching the gearbox from the engine.
Yeah.
Yep.
But for right now, I'm just getting to the bolts that are going to be.
All right. I'll hold the engine so it's steady.
No,
But basically, the oil that we just drained, no part numbers, no metal shavings. Oil's fairly clean.
Yeah. So something went snap as opposed to something ground itself to death. So we don't think it's a bearing issue. We don't think it's an IMS issue. We don't think it's a timing issue. We think that maybe there's a connecting rod kind of dangling, like, you know, kind of just hanging out.
Interesting. So yeah, that ticking noise is a bit of a mystery, potentially.
That ticking noise may have not even been related to it, to be fair.
Maybe it was just in my head, mate. It might not have even existed. Right, anyway, let's do this.
So look at the exhaust. It could have just been the exhaust
Yes.
leaking, because they do sound a bit funny ticking.
Yeah. Right, let's get on with it.
Yep.
So that's the old engine, and as we took this all out, we found a piece of metal. Focus. Yes, piece of metal. And you suspect that this might be from what? Something metallic.
That's my suspicion.
But it smells cooked.
It definitely has that.
It's been
It's got a little hot kind of smell.
It's got a little hot, yeah.
A little bit.
I like it. Awesome. Fun. Old engine. Newer engine. Hopefully less fucked engine. Correct?
Yeah, that's.
It's not fucked, is it, mate?
That's a lot of work to put in a fucked engine, dude. Never mind.
Oh, dude,
yeah.
it's gonna be great. But yes, we found some more metal bits. As we pulled the cam covers off, we found even more metallic. Look at this shit. Yep, something definitely went bang in that hay.
Yeah. You took all the life out of that.
Yeah.
But fucking whatever.
New IMS installed. New IMS installed. IMS
That's the carriers for the
carriers on.
Yeah.
flywheel and clutch going on.
Okay.
Correct?
Yep.
Good.
You know what?
Are you okay, mate?
We're getting there.
Okay, so transmission is on. It's all looking good. It won't be long till we're hoisting it back up.
Remembering how it all goes.
Yeah,
Porsche really buries this shit.
it's all pretty tight up.
It is, but the trouble is, if you go out like a bull at a gate, you'll smash all the old plastic.
Yeah,
And then things such as this crankcase breather line,
yeah.
which is here, will shatter. So I've got to be really careful. Take my time.
Alright, mate.
There's no rush. This is not a race.
Hang in there.
Oh yeah.
You'll be alright.
By the end of my fingernails. At this point, we've got it all back together. Obviously, we think it's timed correctly. We're pretty damn sure. I'm pretty sure it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's good. IMS is done. Clutch is done. Rear main seal is done. Dual mass flywheel was replaced with a new one. We swapped all the electronics off of the known running engine simply because we couldn't verify the year this engine was. What we did find out was this engine didn't have secondary air. But luckily enough, the blocking plates were there, so of course, remove the blocking plates, everything's there underneath. So we put all the secondary air in it. Obviously, you guys have seen the hodgepodge, rat's nest of what's under the intake. I think that shit's right. I don't know, fuck it. It'll work or it won't. Nice thing is, it's not my car. Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
No problem.
Cheers.
No problem. We'll live.
So next step after this, once this is all done,
Is to start installing it.
start installing the engine.
Correct.
That is the engine bolted on. Well done.
Charlie, you can finish this shit up. I'm gonna start my hold in.
Alright, mate. Thanks for coming.
No, you're welcome.
Enjoy. Bit dark now, but it's on the ground.
Yep. Now we're gonna.
This is the fun part.
This is not the fun part.
This is definitely not the fun.
Now you have to mount the compressor and then come in here and mount that intake manifold. And that's a little bit of a bitch.
3 men making love to a Boxster. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good.
Come on, baby.
Please be good.
Who's your dad?
Did anyone kiss the engine yet?
No, there's some brackets.
I bled on the son of a bitch.
Did you? Mate, that's fine. It's a bit of a nerve-wracking moment, this. Right. Douglas?
Smoke them if you've got them.
Fingers crossed.
You
Come on.
got this, mate. You got this.
Come on.
You got this.
Are you gonna do it just so we get all pressure, or what are we gonna do first?
Fucking hit the key.
Please work.
Do this, come on.
Douglas!
Turn it off!
Oh! You are.
Well done, you're the man.
Douglas, no balls of taking the Tonys like that.
Yeah, could you pass the MOT on this, please?